nagiging trabaho yun eh. Pero she just loves this game. In the air we go. Singh makes it a set. To the back row. Bernadette. Sinampal ni Rennie. Nagkaroon sa panig ng AU. Kilala kaya kagabi pa lang hindi na nakatulog itong dalawang to eh.
Of course, alam na alam nila ang galaw ng bawat isa.
At saka yung big game, di ba? You've been through that. Yung big game, excited ka. Tulog. Sing.
Parang ano yan. Nagbibilang ka ng oras.
Alas dos pala. Negrito. Pasas!
Si Basas got a point, pero nag-apologize. It's not the best of attacks na kaya niyang ma-deliver.
Parang accidenting obviously nangyari, no?
Alangan, hindi naman yung set medyo mababa.
Pero alam mo, the good ones you will know, as you notice with Jovelyn Gonzaga, she will make do with whatever the serve or the set is. Palma sends it long, and it is 11-10. The lead stays with NU. Rika Jolan in a constant conversation with Eltit Mabayan. Long service error contra service error.
We have a lot of errors. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati nitong second set. Itong NU, meron ng 7 so far here in the set.
Yes. Uy, marami masyado for a set, ha? 11 apiece. Sa pulsa net, tuloy ang laro. The shot by Shaja Regalo. Alive, but already dead in the water.
Crossing called on FEU.
Oo. Nangangapit bahay. Yung crossing pag tinawag sa'yo na obvious na tinawid mo, okay lang eh. Pero as if na umatras ka na, wala.
Pwede mo i-deny.
Deny. Huli ka naman. Bernadette Pons. Itinaas. She wants one more serving. But this is knocked down clearly. Kasugod.
Kasugod. Napakabilis ng pagbaba ng bola na yun. It was a good running play.
Watch this. Genevieve Kasugod firing ultra fast. Spike ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Boy, this is a good one. We're tied at 12. Walang gustong bumitaw rito, ha? Nagkagatan ba naman ng Tamaraw at saka Bulldog? Lakas!
Santiago asking for a check.
Walang awa. Hindi binigyan ng reprieve. Merong masaya ang barangay ng FEU doon sa likod ng NU. Samantala, eto na si Negrito. Kylie's serve, and she will continue to serve as FEU now jumps out in front by 2. Alam mo nangyayari sa game? Ang tsaga-tsaga eh.
Oo. At
tsaga ng bawat side eh.
Ito nakikita natin, match din kasi halos very evenly matched itong dalawang teams na to. So, hindi pwedeng mag-relax.
Pablo, not exactly the cleanest play. They will track. Hello, Myla. And Myla says hello. Ano ba nakain natin at nilulusog tayo rito ngayon?
Buti wala nang drink dito sa side na. Yung phone naman ni Miyaka ang tumalsik ngayon.
Nagkakahiwalay-hiwalay ang buhay mo, Miyaka eh.
Hindi na
telepono.
Drink ni Miyaka ngayon, telepono ni Miyaka. But good effort on Pablo though, trying to save that ball.
Si Myla nakipag-hello pa rito eh.
Oo.
Myla, tinatakot ako baka masaktan, di ba? Puro tayo
wires
and pader dito. Direct maligo ka kaya?
Baka kasi direct yun.
Masyado tayong attractive nitong araw na to ah. Dumidikit. 15-13.
Alam mo, sinasali talaga nila.
Paluin mo na nga. Oh, Gonzaga didn't get it to bite, and it is 15-14. bakbakan ito. Kala mo, championship day.
Ang ganda nitong game to. But of course, alam natin ang pinaglalaban naman itong dalawang teams na ito. FEU ayaw magkaroon ng bahid ang kanilang 4-0 win-loss record.
Yes,
FEU naman gustong makabawi from that previous loss.
To Arellano, no, that they did not have Dindin and Myla that day. In the meantime, we're going to take a short break. It is 16-14 FEU. Okay, V-League updates, GMA International, 2 Facebook or 3 Facebook places to go to. I would like you to meet Thea Marquez. Thea is 16 years old from Pasig City. She is our Shakey's V-League place of the game and she will enjoy a box of pizza. May laman ho yan para sa kanyang mga kaibigan at kasama rito. I am now with 2 of the most attractive women in Philippine volleyball, Mia Kalim and Andre Mulya, because we've been attracting so much attention.
Yun yung qualifier.
Yun.
Hindi attractive because beautiful.
Attracting the ball. The person sorry si Myla Pablo rito. But I was really worried about Myla's. Ang favorite ko yung si Melissa Going. Nung pumunta rito, minsan naman, nakipaglaro pa dito. 17-14, Urdas. Jovelin. Patayan mo ang larong ito. Myla into the corner. No.
Called out by our linesman.
And Myla trying to appeal the decision. Won't change a thing. FPU jumps in front by 4. Time to listen into the NU huddle.
Galing ng technical timeout, wala agad tayo receive. Yun agad ang simula natin. Diba? Mga ganyan, talaga dati na maganda. Para makarecover tayo sa mga nangyari sa atin. Wala tayo receive. Sunod-sunod na naman. Kaya napigay tayo ng ganyan. Bika, tatlong spider mo. Okay, galawin mo lang dyan. Huwag mong magbibigay ng tayo lang. Pagalawin mo, ayan.
Nakatutuwa pong malaman na kayo'y nandyan at nag-i-enjoy ng volleyball sa Sabado ng hapon na ito. 18-14 ang bilang natin. Lamang ang FEU. Sino nakita mo sa taas?
Coach Roger, nakita ko.
Nakita.
Sa may ano.
Tatago-tago.
Dagat. Uminom ng kape.
Pakape-kape.
Busy eh.
Pero sisilip-silip ka. Mahuli ni Directing yan mamaya. First, officially siya head coach ng NU, no? From the last season ng UA, siya na yung head coach. In the meantime, 18-15 ang bilang natin.
Oh, good luck.
That was a case I felt si Tiolan should learn to dump. Kasi ito na yung blocker.
Oo, dapat. Kaso backliner backliner.
Yun lang. Good point. Let's say she was a frontliner.
That's a good opportunity for you to drop the ball.
Sumabay yung dalawang blocker. But that was a better point for you na back row siya.
Ang magaling sa ganyan ay si Tina Salas.
Oo naman.
Si Jem Ferrer, makikita mo ganyan din.
Sa akin, pag bumaba yung ulo ni Tina Salas, alam kong gagawin niya. Pag nag-tilt yung head niya. Samantala, Basas has been a delightful surprise package for FEU in the last 2 games, and today is no different.
Maganda yung pagkakahugot ni Coach Shaq, ano? Dahil she didn't start in the
No,
first set.
and alam mo, under some players who are just better coming off the bench. I don't know, yung pag kinuha mo sa bench, i-score ka agad. Meron mga starters, because of seniority probably, or just familiarity, don't get their game going right away. In the meantime, don't forget, for fun, family pizzas, gotta be shakies! Ba, ang NU hindi pa tapos dito. Si Milo Pablo, fighter yan, hindi atas yan. A 3-point lead by Far Eastern University. They lost the first set, 25-23. Oh, look at that big smile from Palma. She has a she has a smile that illuminates the arena.
And paano ka naman hindi mapapasmile, ano? Kung
ganun kalaki na butas ang
nahanap mo agad yun dun sa likod.
Sing. Sabi niya, Jovelyn looking like a heptathlete trying to jump over the hurdles here. You know, but if Jovelyn chose to play track and field, she would have been very good, no?
Kaya pa rin, no? Actually, maraming volleyball players siguro, no? Pag pinag-track and field mo.
Ako yung Joy Casas. Marami. Maglilista tayo minsan yan. Sing! Uy, ganda ng starter step niya, oh. Kala nyo, lilipad na ako, sandali. Mahilo sana kayo.
Yung humahanap ng paraan para maikip ang kanilang score.
Gapang ang ginagawa, ano ha? 21-19. Huwag kakaligtaan. Axel ng official outkicker ng Shaggy's Willig. Ay, Diyos ko. Aray ko po. Mahirap pag dumarating yung ganong wasted serve. Si Ordas, ramdam na ramdam yung kaasaran doon sa nangyari na yun. FPU by 3. Trying to tie the set count. We have a lively crowd this afternoon joining all of you, and Dindin knocks it down. You know, I'm so happy nabuta ko pa yung day na ganito katatangkad na volleyball player na babae. Si Ate Ivy nga niloloko na, akala namin ikaw na matangkad.
Hindi.
May mas matangkad pa sa'yo.
And ano siya, no, generation talaga.
I
We were
guess,
talking about it earlier.
Mo.
Yung back in the day, yung mga panahon nila, may Prochina, yun, yung mga tatangkad.
Then followed by another generation.
Latina Salak na generation, makatangay. And then now we have a new set of tall players.
New evolution. Makinig tayo.
Okay? Ha? Si Jen, pag maganda receive, patakboy mo. Chill! Sika. Okay? Dito ka, running, tapos si. Okay, boss, backline. Yo, backline. May backline kang gitna pag nagkain. Okay? Okay? Pag dito mo, tapos pero atake mo yung dito. Okay? Ganda receive, running to, chill, sika. Palitin dalawang dulo, okay?
Pag tinatawag niya si Bernadette Pons ng Pons, kasi Bernadette, 3 syllable yun.
Oo nga, Pons, mabilis lang.
Pons tapos.
Pons.
Pons sa saka, back row.
Mas madali nga naman.
I guess so. Siguro kung minsan ang player pag rookie, natawag na by the last name, parang forever na eh.
Pero alam mo totoo, nung high school ako, Nicole tawag sa akin.
Bakit?
Ang haba. Nicole Ann ako eh.
Okay.
Ang haba. Simula nag-volleyball ako, naging Ann na.
Si haba.
Kasi iksi na eh. Pwede na yun.
You were a very beautiful baby. Your parents called you Nicole Ann. In the meantime, tabla. Ganito rin ang verset. Nagtabla rin sa 22.
Woo! Interesting match-up. Ito talagang dalawang team na ito. And we expected it to be like this.
May kumakain ng pizza na amoy ko.
Ang bango.
Oo.
Ayan, inalok ka tuloy.
Shakey's. Oh! Lampas! Nako! Sabi ng FPU, mahirap pag 2 sets down tayo. Mag-uusap tayo sandali.
Sila, isang maganda lang. Ganito na lang. B, tapos dulo. Okay? Pero receive mo na, receive. Ha? Sayang yan, oh. I-stop ko lang, ha? Kaya natin yan, kaya. Ha?
Tara, uy, tara! Patay lang. Guys, 1 point at a time ang gagawin natin. Hindi natin kailangan magmadali dito. Okay?
Kaya.
Okay, big challenge for Shaq De Los Santos and his crew to be able to tie the set count. They do not want to fall into an abyss where they will be down 2-0. Although that will happen in the Ateneo Benil game. Benil jumped out in front by 2 sets, but Ateneo tracking them down and got them in a 5th set battle. 5-set battle, that is. Back row, long, inside though, is the call.
NU talagang making sure.
May pupuntahang birthday.
Ito si Manabat.
Birthday, o kaya binyag. And schedule alas 3.
Traffic daw.
Kaya nga.
Speaking of birthday, may birthday. Happy birthday to Aliyah Pascua from her Tito Jess. Mga nanonood sa atin, avid fans of Shakey's V-League.
Mga sumusunod din sa ating live stream. Magandang hapon sa inyo, those watching here and abroad. Hernandez will replace Basas in the lineup. 24-23. Carlota Hernandez. NU at set point. Looking free.
Chance for FEU.
Pons! Yes!
Ties that to 24.
Alam mo, handa na tayo ng mga 3 pizza. Matatagalan ito. Aabot ho kami sa merienda nyo. Order na ho kayo ng Order na kayo ng merienda. Bakbakan ito. 24 all. Itinaas. Ay, walang papaluan. Muntik pa nga sa antena yon. Oh! Outside!
Swerte din for MU. Alanganin itong si Kasugod dun sa running attack na yon. Kasugod kasi ang target kadalasan ay down the line pag running attack.
Naubusan siya na espasyo rin at nag-alangan. Set point, second time for National University. Hernandez, Negrito, Pons. Singh digging down under. Pablo! And it is NU with a 2-0 lead. Boy, FEU had their chances there, Ann.
And pero itong NU talagang matindi yung kapit dito sa second set.
And National University enjoying the 2-0 edge as we check out our Shakey's Shake and Play. Back in a moment with more great volleyball action.
Para sa koponan ng FEU. I mean, they were almost there. They almost got the second set. Pero itong ang si Coach Shaq talagang matindi ang paalala na binibigay sa kanyang setter na si Negrito. And that's why during the break kanina, Sedo, pinag-uusapan natin, talaga ang setters, they really need to take a lot of the beating, a lot of the yung pagalit. But yun yung role talagang mabigat ang setter role.
And often they are not given enough credit for the good things they do. Kaso pagka masama ang diskarte ng setter, they unfortunately get the brunt of the sermons. And we're tied at 1 in the third set. You're watching more of our classification round of our collegiate conference here in the Shakey's V-League. Battle between the two protagonists, the two teams that went into the finals in the championship of this tournament last year, won by FEU. Nice play. Neatly done. Myla Pablo with a neat. Oh, yes, indeed.
Simpleng-simple naman daw.
Very crafty move. Watch this.
Ganda ng basa
Ganda. 2-1 ang ating bilang dito sa third set. Umabante na agad ang Lady Bulldogs. Ito, pupunta na naman ang bola dito. Wala, no? Ang baba ng confidence ng FEU. Baba ng energy
and you
nila.
can see it dun sa kanilang body language.
Nag-group nilabas yung mga guest players. Kita mo? Walang guest players.
Now, the pressure is really here para sa Lady Tams.
Up in the air it goes. Pons fires. And it is inside. And it is 2-3. Mr. Anton Montinola of FEU is already on their bench. Of course, Mr. Montinola always very active in the sports program of FEU. If it's Fun Family Pizza's got to be Shakey's.
Urdas now really getting back her form.
Naman laki ng pinagbag as we check out this also fast spike of Fast LTE for family. Naman si Myla nakausap ko ng under 23 tournament. So, at ang saya-saya mo ngayon naglalaro sa NAS. Wala lang sila. Ang saya-saya lang talaga. And I've seen her change. Dati hindi mo mapapasmile yan eh.
Totoo.
Sa UA, talagang
Seryoso.
All puro game face. Wow! Basas!
With her own version.
Tony Rose Basas looks like that pretty girl across the street that you want to meet. But wait till she plays volleyball and you'll say, okay, I'll be a nice guy and I'm set for her.
She has an older sister na naglaro din para sa FEU couple of years back.
Here's Durandes reaching for it. Ginoo and FEU going back. We're tied at 4.
Maybe this is, baka ito yung kailangan na, just what they need, yung wake-up call na yon para magising ulit.
Bernadette Pons all set to serve. Durandes, natural cheerleader, As libero, kadalasan parang second setter mo yan.
Oo. At ang libero, ang maganda rin sa setup ngayon na dalawa yung libero. Yung libero mo, if you switch them, nakikita nila meron silang outsider's perspective.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Nababasa nila yung laro, nababasa nila, nakikita anong butas, ano ba dapat ang i-cover.
At kung bakit, kung minsan yung nauna sa yung libero, if you're the second libero, hindi magandang pag-receive, bakit kaya? Jolan and Urdas gets it through.
This is a good sign for NU na yung kanilang core players getting back in the shape and top form.
Itong si Urdas at si Pablo parang magkapatid yan pag game phase 1 yan di ba? Hindi lang Santiago sisters yan.
They mean business.
Same intensity. Palma knocking it down and makes it 6-5 in favor of the Lady Tams. Keep in mind, lamang ang NU sa inyong scoreboard, lamang ng 2-0 dito po sa ating featured match today sa ating live presentation dito sa GMA News TV. Palo ni Urdas. Ginoo. And it'll go to FEU.
Itong si Ginoo, nakakailang attempt na. And so far, delivering quality minutes para sa Lady Tamaraws.
Again, they're going to go with their without their guest players for a spell here. Singh is caught. And it is left hanging in the air. It is FEU by 3 again with the early lead, but can they sustain it? Abangan bukas sa GMA News TV alas 12:45 ng hapon, bakbakan ng San Sebastian at ng Universidad ng Santo Tomas. Narito si Miyaka.
Maraming salamat, Seth. Alam mo, what's been working para dito sa FEU All Conference Long is yung fluidity ng kanilang effort. Sabi nga ni Coach siya kanina na during practices daw kasi yung ginagawa nila is yung effort during a game. Kaya naman yung A-game, pagdating A-game effort, nagiging second nature during the actual game. Yun nga daw yung nami-miss nila in this match. And sabi kagaya ng sabi nga kanina ni Anne, medyo na roast ni Coach Shaq itong si Kyle Negrito kanina, but not because of yung kulang sa strategy when it comes to setting, but it's because of siya daw dapat ang mauna when it comes to coverage sa likod ng mga blockers nila. And yun nga daw yung nagiging lapses nila during that last set. Balik sa inyo.
Just a friendly reminder. Well, it wasn't so friendly the way it looked, but it is a reminder to the set that you have other responsibilities aside from just lifting the ball up. Ball in play. Oh, but that's out and gone.
And you expect itong si Violan to maximize itong si Manabat.
Oh boy. NU down by 3, then ties it up with scoring 3 straight points. Negrito. Palma taking care of business. And Renny Palma is no longer smiling.
She means business kasi daw kailangan nilang maipanalo na itong set na to.
Para umabot ng, para ma-extend. Huwag kang kalimutan, PLDT Ultrapass LTE. Para sa isang masayang pamilya. Speeds up to 10 Mbps, pati internet, baba lang, 999 pesos. Sing! Lalim ng dukot, ha? Lalim! Ginoo! Saan manggagaling ang palo? Hindi malaman! Ginoo! Sing, free ball, nag-alangan. Uy, bukang out. May chance mag-out, pero di na. Committed na. Ginoo, hinabol ni Pablo. Sapul sa ilalim ng kamay. Alos Rizka. Ito, wala na eh. Patay na, nabuhay pa.
Sabi ni Din. Ang baba rin kasi yung set sa kanya kanina, no? Nakabawi din with that over ball.
Sensya na kayo, mintis lang.
At saka matangkad kasi ako, mababa talaga yung bola. Binaba niya yung kamay niya eh, just for her to reach the ball.
Meron akong height requirement pagka pero
pag sineset.
Okay lang ako. 9-all. Dati pag ayaw niya yung set, sumisimangot talaga.
Ngayon hindi na.
Hindi na, sanay na siya. Jolan. Sing! Nicely done, surprise. Ginoo there. Bilis humabol na inyo. Nawala si Coach Roger, ha?
Baka nasa kabilang side.
Or nanonood, dinadaan sa TV.
Posible.
10-9.
Doon, nakita natin may mali sa pwesto because Pasas and Pons were exactly beside each other. Talagang shoulder to shoulder.
Tinatos pa lang yung bola, nakadikit na yung dalawa. Eto, si Chito Loizaga. Baka maging referee ito, Mandalawang referee natin, nanggaling sa Barbero, Ako okay lang, si Chito, kaya yan. Huwag ka matakot. Tingnan mo, yung dalawang referee natin galing din sa Barbero kanina.
Naghanda para sa game na to.
Exactly. 12-9, FEU biglang naiwanan.
Hindi pa natin Chin, hindi ba natin na-practice yung, malakas sa service, tapos yung receiver? Wala lang, kasi kung hindi ka nagtitiwala sa ginagawa, ano nangyayari sa atin? Gusto tayo dyan. Pag-ganyan lang. So, tandaan nyo, pinaghirapan natin. Yung bibigay na ganyan. Ha? Isa lang. Wala lang, ha?
Tara lang. Mag-usap-usap sa likod, okay? Go! Tama na! Side!
Glad you're with us here. 12-9. Of course, National University took the first two sets. 25-23, 26-24. And trying to end the game quickly and hope to improve their team standing to become 4-1 and to be equal with FEU in terms of the team standings again. As well, rather. In the meantime, that's short from Myla Pablo. Ang papasok sa grupong ito, masaya to eh. FEU pasok na, Arellano pasok na, NU pasok na, aakyat ang UP, at bagamat ang UP may isa pa siyang laro today against Arellano. Final positions will be decided after today. Ayan na, mainit ang ulo ni Dindin. Si Jaja to, Jaja naman to.
Pinag-uusapan natin kanina, ang bilis humabol ng NU.
Oo. Kasi with the quicks, with the quicks, they don't waste too much time. Ultra fast spike. Dapat to ultra quick spike. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family. Ultra fast, ultra quick.
Oh, Sing, mababa ang itcha ng bola.
Tuwa talaga ako pag yung missed serve na lahat tumitingin. Palayo.
Dati, nagsusorry sa coach.
Pero
pero nag-evolve na.
Huwag ko pansinin. Doon ba si Coach Ramil nagagalit?
Siyempre.
Oo, talaga.
Lalo na sa service. I mean, any coach would really get mad. Kasi sayang yun eh.
Okay.
You waste the point.
At saka wala kang kalaban dyan eh, no? Mag-isa ka dyan. 15-11. Sorry, 14-11 ang count. Myla Pablo making that connection. And all set to serve for all of you is Rica Diolan.
Itong si Diolan, of course, a preview of good things to come
Yeah.
para dito sa Lady Bulldogs.
Pons. Naghahanap ng opening. Walang mapuntahan. Huli. Nag-juggle-juggle si Kasugod. Walang pinuntahan.
Kasugod needs to maintain a certain distance from the net to be an effective blocker. We know she's got it. Kaya lang minsan pag gumagalaw ka from side to side, napapalayo ka rin minsan sa net.
You have no idea. It's like snorkeling, I guess. Di ba? Yung biglang, hindi mo akalain, ang layo mo na.
Layo mo na pala.
In the meantime, the judgment of distance, not precise for Kasugod. And it's 16-11, National University beginning to march to a nice beat here. Glad to meet the Dial family. 16-11 is the count. Glad you're with us, Sev Sarmenta, Anne Remulla-Canda, and Miyakalim, your broadcast team for this afternoon. Tobino and Gonzaga are already back in the game.
So hopefully it's not too late for FEU.
Boy, this is threatening to be a shutout.
Yep.
3-set shutout.
Ang kailangan gawin, we know FEU can match what NU is doing, pero ang kailangan nila ngayon is just turn the momentum on their side.
Galing ng umpisa nila, pero hindi nila masustain, They will lead 8-5, they will lead by as much as 5. In the meantime, a new face, Cayuna, seeing action for Negrito. My suspicion is that this is a setter change.
It is. So, setting duties, shifting over to Cayuna.
Mikasa ang official ball ng Shakespeare League. Samantala, the serve is long and out. Kasugod, a spate of errors, and it's 18-12.
At si Coach Shaq hindi natuwa dun sa error na yun. Kasi now when they need points the most, kahit na sure serve yung ibigay mo
Para hindi lang sayang.
Para hindi masayang.
Ito, on target, tinaas ni Durendes. Cayuna, nagkagulo sa takbuhan ng play na yun.
Free ball.
Urdas misses the target and katunog pa lang ng palo ng bola, alam mong mintis
Nahuli, walang wrist.
Tsaka dinig mo, kukuha ang tinamaan, yung, or daliri.
Daliri niya.
Question, and this is, when you are a volleyball player, you can't grow your nails for the Yung parang mahaba.
It's safer if it's short kasi ikaw rin yung mahihirapan kapag tinamaan niya ng bola.
Ganon. So, being that part of being a lady, hold muna.
Yes.
Hold muna.
Nail polish ka na lang.
Okay.
You see a lot of the volleyball players though with really
Okay.
colorful nail polish pero short ang nails dapat.
Pasensya na po, yan lahat to, yan pinakikialaman ko. Ginoo is blocked. I just wonder if, di ba, part of being the girl routine, In the meantime, FEU wants to talk things over. They are down by 7.
Tiwala ko sa sarili. Isipin mo lahat ng bagay na ginagawa mo. Okay? Kung magbibigay ka, siguraduhin mo na nandun yung tao. Kung ano yung sinabi mo, panitigan mo sa pang. Okay? Kaya mo yung loob. Dahan-dahan. Okay? Dahan lang. Let's go. Tama daw!
This is getting to be a familiar strategy in volleyball now. The coaches allow the players. You discuss among yourselves. I'm dry already. I have nothing more to say. You solve the problem. And in the meantime, the dilemma FEU finds itself in is it's down by 7, 20-13 here in the third set. Down in the set count 2-0. Ginoo. General is there. Boy, on target. Linden seeing the donut. Getting larger and larger, this gap. Don't forget, if it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Ginoo. Hindi makapalo si Jovelyn.
Oo, walang opensa ngayon ng Lady Tams.
Dorendas gives it to Ginoo. Free ball. Bigay mo kaya kay Jovelyn.
Let's see.
Yun. Nahuli. Well read that time. From the back row. Cuyana. Ginoo, no choice. Has to be a free ball. Wala na. Nag-a-assert na itong NU.
At si Violan talagang naninigurado sa lahat ng puntos.
Lahat ng klaseng porsyento gagawin ko na rito. Gusto ko na umuwi.
May lakad nga.
May lakad.
Traffic daw
May
kasi,
pupunta,
Sabado.
Sabi naman ni Myla, sorry. Sabi ng grupo, oy, maliligo pa tayo. Ano ba na?
But even if itong game na to ay mukhang mag-3 sets, it was a long game because the first 2 sets we've seen mahaba.
Perez is in for Diolan, 22-14. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Jovelyn Gonzaga all set to serve. Free ball forthcoming. Cross court. Ayan, nice block,
Nag-yay pa. Nakahawak ng bola. Yay!
And with Remulla with a good block.
Natuwa na basta makahawak ng bola.
Hawakan nyo nga ng bola ito, mami. Ang dami.
Nako, mahirap pag nandito si Mozzie. Nagsa-spike receive kami dalawa.
Nakita ko na yung gawin niya. 22-15. Perez. Sing. Tinaas ni Palma. Ginoo. Inside.
Sa ngayon, ang labanan dapat sa FEU talagang porsyento sa opensa and hahanapin nila yung butas because the defense of NU matibay din.
Ito, magandang upakan ng NU kasi akala nila nagdidiwang na sila, parang tapos na. Ayan, malakas sampal na sampal. 5 na lang to. That time out si Agent Mabayad. Makinig tayo sa NU kaya. Punch in this third and set to make it a shutout. Gonzaga serve, nice and easy over the net. Perez. And the timeout doing wonders for NU. Could be just a matter of time now. Here's Perez, the veteran player. Gonzaga. No chance to spike. And long!
Supposed to be an easy over pero sumobra pa rin itong si Palma.
suddenly became a disaster. And it is match point. Outside, hoping to go a little cross court there. And the diagonal shot going out. 24-18. Palma serve. On target. Perez. Long.
Oh, and you leaving the door open para sa FEU.
Bagong muka. Si Jasmine Nabor. Palma to serve anew. Perez. And Nabor ends the match. I didn't expect it to be such a shutout.
But NU nabahira na ng isang talo ang FEU.
First of the tournament, but they will carry over that record into the next round, and it's actually their last game for the classification. Shake and play, and we shall. Who is our best player?
Of course, ito nakitaan natin consistent throughout the sets with Miyaka Lim is Myla Pablo.